So on setting your goals to achieve them, I think this is actually one of the most important things that we could ever do for ourselves, because things don't just miraculously happen. People think that successful people just wake up one day and they find themselves at a point in a position of success. And that's the biggest misconception that everyone can ever have towards success. Because when you speak about success, you speak about an orchestrated event, which is obviously yielded by results of consistency. So the more you keep working and the more you keep on doing the same thing over and over again, that's when you actually get to the level that you've actually anticipated. So success eventually becomes a result of what you've been dreaming for the past previous years, and it doesn't just happen, it doesn't just come, and that's what we need to understand. Success is when you set targets and you achieve them and you become successful at it. And a lot of people don't get to celebrate the small achievements and successes that they have, mainly because a lot of people pose with bigger achievements and they feel as if even with the little that they've achieved, they haven't attained anything. But we need to get to a point of setting targets, and when we hit the targets that we've set for ourselves, then that's regarded as success. So when we speak about being successful at something, we speak about plans that have been set and targets that have been set, and that would obviously be now a point of you succeeding in what you have planned. And that's exactly what I'd like to say for today's episode of Martin Mondays. Happy Monday.